What are you writing?
I want to write Mom.
You want to write Mom? Okay.
Yes. And I press the M.
What's next?
O.
Right. And then?
M.
Right. Good job! What did you write?
Mom.
Linda, could you show me on your
Dad.
fingers what is 2 plus 2?
No.
You don't want to do that now? Just show Mommy one time.
No.
No? Okay, you want to keep writing? Write Dad.
Yes. It is D-A-D.
Right.
There's D. There's the A. There's the D.
Good job! What did you write?
Dad.
Let me see your funny giggle. Let me see. Go. Let me see you laugh. I love that laugh.